Sup, y'all? Dominoes 7 back again. Okay. Well, it's hard for me to say that Andrew Cohn got his ass whooped today. Okay. So he got his ass kicked today in Jeopardy today, which is sad and stuff like that. But technically, I wanted the delay in the middle to win. I didn't want Graham to win, but either Andrew could win one more time or lay in the middle. But she was in the hole throughout the series, got out of the hole, went back in the hole again, and stuff like that. Wowee. I mean, Jeopardy been having suckish players lately, except Jackie. You know, she was the best Jeopardy player ever. But like Alex Trebek said, keep your fingers crossed if she will be able to be in the Tournament of Champions. You know, if she would have won 5 games in a row, if she would have been on today, if she would have lost today, she would have guaranteed a spot in the Tournament of Champions. You know, yes, she would have. Trust me on that one, folks. She would have been guaranteed a spot in the Tournament of Champions this upcoming tournament. Okay, but I don't know for sure. In 2019, I think we'll have the college championship of 2019 and the college championship and the teachers tournament. Okay, so we don't know what's gonna happen yet. Okay, so. No offense to Graham, I really didn't want him to win and stuff like that. No offense to him, you know. Okay, I have nothing against him, to be honest with y'all, though. But he's alright, as far as I know. Okay, so we'll have to see what's gonna happen Monday. Okay, Christmas Eve, Christmas Day, day after Christmas, Kwanzaa, the first day of Kwanzaa and stuff like that. Okay, all right, so. That's it for now. Alright, thank y'all for watching, okay? All right.